Coloring with Rutaba.
Hello friends, welcome back to the Coloring with Utaba channel. Today we are going to draw the rainbow and clouds. So let's get begin. First I draw the two clouds.
If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands.
Then I draw the 7 curves line on the clouds to make the rainbow. Friends, let's draw the rainbow and clouds according to me. I love to see the rainbow. Do you? Now I take the black marker to enhance the outer lines of clouds and rainbow.
If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray! If you're happy and you know it, then your face will surely show it. If you're happy and you know it, shout hooray! Hooray!
Then I'm going to color the rainbow and clouds. So friends, let's color with me. I take the red color for the first row. Friends, do you know the rainbow have 7 colors?
If you're happy and you know it, 2 or 3.
For second, I take orange.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, his fleece was white as snow. Everywhere
Now for the third row, I color with yellow.
Mary went, everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. He followed her to school one day,
For the fourth, I color with green.
to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children
Let's learn the rainbow color with me. Red, orange, yellow, green. Very good.
And so the teacher turned it out, turned it out, turned it out. And so the teacher turned it out, but still it lingered near. And waited patiently about, patiently, patiently. And waited patiently about till Mary did appear.
Now friends, I'm going to color with light blue.
Why does the lamb love Mary so, Mary so, Mary so? Why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cry. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know, lamb, you know, lamb, you know. Why Mary
Lastly, I color with purple.
did reply.
Now friends, it's time to color the clouds. I outline with dark blue. Then I fill the light blue color in the clouds. The rainbow looks so amazing. Now I fill the light blue color in the clouds. Awesome! Friends, if you like the video, so do like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next video. Bye bye.